Today I'll show you how to stop the government from taking your money using the solar federal tax credit, and you can listen to a few other people I've worked with to figure out if I'm trustworthy. When you solo with Walker Power, you solo with family.
Hello everyone, real quick, my name is Paul Walker. What? No, the other one, with Walker Power. Anyway, I have something real special for you. If you give me just a minute or two of your time, then I will put a big smile on your face. Who's writing these lines? Anyway, if you already own solar or if you thought about it, then you should click the link at the end of this to see if you can stop the Fed from potentially taking tens of thousands of dollars from you. All the information is free. Let me ask you, is your accountant absolutely amazing? Can he get the government to pay you 50 grand for not growing corn this year? No? Do you still pay high taxes? Do you still pay taxes even though you have tax credits? Then keep watching, click the link at the end. Is it more like your accountant knows how to take your money and isn't very good at stopping the government from taking it more? Kind of like they took a 2-hour night course at a community college to be an accountant? Or maybe you do your own taxes. Listen, this offer is open to every solar homeowner or potential, no matter who you got the solar from. Most of my customers told me their accountant does not understand the solar tax credit, so I actually had to teach a lot of accountants last year. Now, 2020 was rough for a lot of people, so I'm giving away 2 IRS PDFs with color-coded notes to help you and your accountant get the tens of thousands of dollars promised to you by that solar salesman who stopped taking your calls anymore. Click the link below or at the end of the video. I'll help you out for free. It's just because I know how to do it. I want to help people. We have a lot of other offers that you might like. There's no obligation to take any of them. Let's take care of you and your tax money first. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great year in 2020.
Payment required only if you do not get the PDFs. Not to us, to the government. And they take a lot. What have you got to lose? It's a free, color-coded, notes already taken education. And the video will be out soon. The PDFs have our contact info if you have any questions. Please click like, hit subscribe, comment, share, and align with us on YouTube, Facebook, and Alignable. Also, like, subscribe, comment, and share, tweet with us on Rumble, Twitter, and Instagram.
Hey, I know I didn't get a chance to ask you whether or not you have solar. If you do, great. We have a panel protection program for that, but we're also giving away $500 for referrals. So whether or not you have solar, maybe you're looking for it for a friend, refer them for $500 and give us a call or send us an email. The information is afterwards. Thank you very much. Have a sunny day. So are you thinking about buying solar but you don't want to get sold? Here's how to find a resource you can trust.
You don't need to know nothing. All you need to know is that what you say would happen, and that's it. You deliver on your promises.
Paul, you amazing. I mean, I still to this day call you for questions.
You know, thanks to you, the process was really easy. So you've been really honest.
I never felt alone in this thing.
Because my light bill went from high to low, and plus I got a check for $206.
Here are a few of the customers who we call family. When you solo with Walker Power,